Hello friends, welcome to my channel CAD Engineer. Today in this video, we are going to learn about how to design Hex Bolt. To design this bolt, we need extrude boss, extrude cut, mirror, chamfer and thread command. Let's see how to design this part. To design this part, we'll go to Sketch tab and take a sketch tool, and here I'm going to select top plane. Now we'll define the polygon tool, where we define the number of sides of polygon to 6 and we'll create one polygon. Now we'll define the size of polygon from this vertex to this vertex, that is 20. And we'll make this line to be exactly horizontal. So that defined. Now we'll exit. Now we're going to feature and extrude it. Now while extruding, we'll keep it mid plane, so my plane will become at center, and total depth will define 9 and OK. Now we have to remove the material from the side, from the faces. We'll select this face, sketch on it. We'll make one circle that is tangent to the edges. So we'll define by pressing Ctrl button, sketch an edge, make it tangent. We take one more tangent at the bottom edge also. Then exit. Now we'll go to extrude cut. Here we'll use flip side to cut and take a draft of 45 degrees and use through all option here. Do OK. Now that cut I made, I want to mirror another side, so we'll select this cut. Go to mirror tool, and here we're going to select the top plane, that is center at the body, and do OK. Now we select one face, sketch on it. We'll define the circle for the shaft, that is 12 diameter. Exit. So we'll select the sketch and extrude it. We have to define total 40 depth, so we'll keep it in one direction blind and do OK. Now I'm going to give chamfer at the lower edge, so we'll take chamfer tool. Defining the chamfer size 0.5 distance and angle is 45 degrees. We'll select this edge and do OK. Now we are going to apply thread on this. For that, we'll go to option thread hole wizard, and here we get that option thread. We'll do OK here. Now here we will define from where we're going to start the thread. I'll select this cylindrical edge, and then I'll choose end condition up to this face. Now I want to make little downward side from the top face. We'll take offset of 5 mm. And here also we can take some distance. I take the offset of 2 mm here. Now we'll define this to be metric die, and the shaft type is M12 by 1.5. So we'll define here M12 by 1.5 and do OK. So method is cut thread. So this is how our Hex bolt has been created. Now let's apply some appearance on this. We'll go to appearance. We'll take some appearance, metal color, and take a polished steel and do OK. This is how we have completed this part. Thank you for watching this video.